If the area of the rhombus is 96 centimeter square and its diagonal is 16 centimeter, find its perimeter. In this adjacent figure, ABCD is a rhombus, and where BD and AC are two diagonals, we know that from the property that the two diagonals of rhombus always bisect each other with 90 degree angles. Now area is given 96 centimeter square. ABCD is a rhombus whose two diagonals BD and AC. We know area of rhombus is half into product of two diagonals, and the unit will be square unit. So here area 96, AC, the AC diagonal will be 16. So OA and OC is equal to 16 by 2. BD we don't know, that is we have suppose X will be the length. So OB and OD will be X by 2. Whatever. From here when we are calculating this, half into 16 into X centimeter square. Half into 16 into X, that is 8X centimeter square. This 8X centimeter square is equal to the area of rhombus, which is already given. So we can write 8X equal to 96. So X equal to 12. That means BD, this BD diagonal, we are getting the length 12. Now we know that BD also intersect in equally with AC. So DO and OB is equal to 6 centimeter. Let, considering the diagonal of rhombus, bisect each other and make 90 degree angles. Angle DOC is equal to COB is equal to angle AOB is equal to angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. Now by Pythagoras theorem, DC square is equal to OD square plus OC square. From here 6 square plus 8 square, it is equal to root of is equal to DC square. DC is equal to root over of 100, that is equal to 10. The side of the rhombus will be 10 centimeters. Now here, so perimeter of the rhombus will be, we know 4 into A, that is side, 4 into 10, it is equal to 40 centimeter. If you have any doubt, please comment.